Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Just press and hold both the sleep, wake and home buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds, until you see the Apple logo. You can let go of both buttons after the Apple logo appears. Your phone will go through the usual process of starting up. You'll be back in your home screen. The 8th of May 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A factory data reset erases your data from the phone. While data stored in your Google account can be restored, all apps and their data will be uninstalled. To be ready to restore your data, make sure that it's in your Google account.
Let's help you make your mark.
A hard reset will restore the iPhone setting to its initial configuration by clearing all the third-party applications, data, user settings, saved passwords, and user accounts. The process would delete all stored data on the iPhone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.